Hi, today we're going to be going over Pwin in the Growth Suite. First, let's go ahead and log into the org. Once you've logged into the org, you're going to want to go ahead and go to your opportunity that you're looking to track Pwin against. And click on Growth Opportunities. I'm going to select my opportunity. From here, you have a couple different places, but the main one we want to go to right now is for Pwin and Pgo. So down here on this line with the Snapshot tab, we'll see the Pwin/Pgo tab. When we select that tab, the Pwin calculator will appear. You'll notice that on the left side, you have different stages for each Pwin. And so if we want to see questions that are coming on further down the line, we're currently in the interest stage, which lines up with the stage of our opportunity. If we were in the qualify stage, this calculator would default to the Pwin calculator for the qualify stage. At any point, you can also click back and forth to see the different questions or see previous answers if you're past the interest stage. But for now, let's answer the questions in the interest stage. All we need to do is select the answer for each question. If we have any comments, we can type our comments down here in the comments box, and those will get saved. You do not need to answer every question at once. So after you've answered the questions you can currently answer, you can come down here and click Save. The system will save the answers and it'll generate you a score. So now when we scroll back up, we can see what our Pwin currently is. Pgo is right next to Pwin. So on the same tab, we have the Pgo tab as well. And that has your questions here. Pgo does not depend on stage, so there's only one set of questions. Functionality works the exact same way though. You answer the questions, and then when you're done, you can go ahead and click Save, and it'll calculate a Pgo score for you. And now that score is tied to your opportunity. And that's how you do Pwin and Pgo.